Eto na po, Gino Padilla, Hands of Time. Pare ko, this is a repackaged edition from the previous release. Ano yung mga nadagdag ditong songs at bakit siya ni-repackage?
Kompleto na siya nung una, no? It was like 11 songs, no? OPM lahat siya except for Betcha by Golly Wow. But then people were asking after a month of release, they wanted to hear yung mga old songs nga daw, like Closer You and I and Let the Love Begin. So, sabi namin, gawin natin
diba?
Uli, isama natin yan.
So
okay.
Ito na ngayon, you have bonus cuts, bonus siya, no? Let the Love Begin and Closer You and I.
That's right.
These are songs that a lot of people have grown up with or grew up with.
Yes, grew up with, sang along to.
Yeah, and I'm sure even the kids know these songs, no? Passed on.
Well, I hope so.
Oo, dahil siyempre may bagong generation na, so it's been passed on to them, especially those who are very much into the 80s pop scene. Diba?
That's right, that's right.
And I noticed that in one song entitled Sama Sama, there is a collaboration with Francis Magalona and Rani Raimundo.
Right. Siguro next time we can have them here, but unfortunately we can't get in touch with them, no? But the Sama Sama talks about yung mga barkadahan. Hopefully we can play it.
This is an original song.
It's an original song. It's written by Mr. Jun Santa Maria, of course, and Mike Cancio, no? Tapos in collaboration, nag-rap dito si Francis.
Nag-drum si Francis.
Nag-drums si Rani Raimundo.
And so who are the other songwriters and arrangers that participated in this effort?
The album, we got Trina Belamide, we got Christine Bendebel, of course we got Jun Santa Maria, Pee-wee Apostol, we have it, the Keeping the Memories Alive.
Have you worked with these people before?
In that album, first time pa lang eh. Pero si Jun Santa Maria, I've worked with him before. So, yun. Tapos, marami pang mga sumulat dyan eh.
And Gino, this song is...
Bernadette Gutierrez.
Gutierrez.
I gotta
wow,
add that.
You have a lot of people that helped you out here.
Christine Bendebel, if I mentioned her name already. Yan. So, inspiration talaga sila eh.
Did you have a hand in choosing the songs or working with the lyrics, being the singer?
Half and half, yes, production. So we send them to Sharon Cuneta and Sandra Chavez, and they would approve or disapprove. But we went ahead anyway, and then choosing the songs, they gave me the right to do that para at least ma-feel ko.
Oh, dapat naman.
So yun na yun.
Yes.
So kung type mo yung kanta, you can feel it. Pag hindi mo type, medyo mahirap kantahin.
Mahirap naman yun. Kasi,
diba? Like you also.
Siyempre, you'll be touring this album, you'll be doing shows, and night after night, you'll be singing the same song over and over. So dapat lang na, you feel absorb it,
Yes.
and you feel the songs.
Maraming mga dyan,
makapagbagdamdaming awitin.
Exactly. Let This One Go. That's a special song there by Trina Belamide. I mean.
Let
And of
This
course,
One Go. There you go. Track
imbis
number
na yung
8.
lalaki ang nagloloko, ito naman, babae ang nagloko. So, yun.
Okay. Jack, baka gusto mo ng kopya nito? Joke lang joke lang. And if they want to know more about Gino Padilla and his goings on, where can they log on to?
Well, you can log on to ginopadilla.net. Yeah.
ginopadilla.net. Napakadaling tandaan po. All right.
.net.
So here's more of the gentleman, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Gino Padilla.
Thank you. mahal? Bakit ako ang pinaasa? Alam mo namang mahal kita. Sakali mang magbalik ang dating lambingan, sakali mang pag-ibig mo'y muli kong makamtan, walang hanggang pagmamahal ang tangi kong ibibigay sa'yo lamang. Dinadalangin kong magliwanag ang lahat, kahit mayroon ka na iba. Nandito pa rin ako, mamahal sa'yo, umaasa, maghihintay sa'yo. Di ko inaasahan na mayroon kang ibang mahal. Bakit ako ang pinaasa? Alam mo namang mahal kita. Sakali mang magbalik ang dating lambingan, sakali mang pag-ibig mo'y muli kong makamtan, walang hanggang pagmamahal ang tangi kong ibibigay sa'yo lamang, sa'yo lamang. Sakali mang magbalik ang dating lambingan, sakali mang pag-ibig mo'y muli kong makamtan, walang hanggang pagmamahal ang tangi kong ibibigay sa'yo lamang. labis na nahihiba sa ganda mong tunay. Kayo't kailan pa man sinta, buhay ko'y iaalay. Walang hanggang pagmamahalan ang tangi kong bibigay. Di maintindihan aking nadarama, ako ba'y umiibig sa tulad mo, giliw? Labis na nahihiba sa ganda mong mo, giliw. Labis na nahihiba sa ganda mong tunay. Di maintindihan aking nadarama, ako ba'y umiibig sa tulad mo, giliw? Labis na nahihiba sa ganda mong tunay. Ganda mong tunay. Ganda mong
Maraming salamat, Mr. Gino Padilla. Welcome back to the music scene. Ladies and gentlemen, please always support original Filipino music. Yan, don't buy pirated, only the original. Ako po si Jet Pangan, pansamantalang nagpapaalam on behalf of the Mix Live crew. I'd like to thank Basement Rockwell and of course Tita Jo for my makeup, o diba? Tsaka Tiger City Boxing Gym sa Mandaluyong. At bago kami tuloy magpaalam, here's one more number from the man himself, Mr. Gino Padilla.
Hey, there's a look in your eyes, must be love at first sight. Part of a dream, nothing more, so it seemed. But my love couldn't wait much longer. Just can't forget the picture of your smile. 'Cause every time I close my eyes, you come alive. The closer I get to touching you, closer I get to loving you. Give it time, just a little more time, we'll be together. Give a little smile, that special smile, twinkle in your eye in a little while. Give it time, just a little more time, so we can get closer, you and I. Then could I love you more, so much stronger than before? Why does it seem like a dream